Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 19 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and we have a 2-page sketch today by Michelle van Wyk. So this has a humongous title and lots of photos. So as normal, mine's going to be a little bit different. I have a big title, but it's going to be on one page because it is this. And I can't really chop that to put on 2 pages, so it's going to be on one. And I have a lot of photos for this layout. So as the title suggests, it's like car vehicle related, and it is all the photos of my son growing up, because he loved, like any little boy, loved cars or anything with wheels. So these are the photos. I have lots of them. I have already mounted them on red cardstock. That one I need to make a bit thinner down there. And I've sort of got them in order of where I think I'm placing them on the pages, because there's a lot here and it took a little bit to work out where they're going to go. So even if I had have sped that part up of the video, it was going to take quite some time. So I decided that I would do that ahead of time, and we'll see if I can remember where they all go. Right, and I've also pre-cut the paper because I wanted to make sure that it was going to work as well. So let's get this. Oh, and hang on, wait. All my embellishments I have sorted in clusters already. You can probably see a little bit of them. So I have cheated a bit on this one, but because it's a double, it's going to take longer, and there's a lot of fiddling around to make sure that I had what I wanted and I didn't have to go and get something else. So, all right, let's get going. Okay, there's my page. Oh my goodness, that took some effort. I had to pause and go away and cut out a red heart because I did not have a red heart in my stash, and this little cluster over here needed something red, so I had to go find a die that had a heart in it and end up with a red heart there. Oh my goodness, so there is so many photos on this double spread, but I think it looks okay. I don't know, I'm not completely happy with it. I don't know, something about it. The only things car related I have are the wood chip elements that I had. Oh, who were they from? Scrap FX. I had them for years and years and years, and I painted them yesterday. But that's the only embellishment that I have that is car related, and the rest of it is all just bits and pieces that were in my colour boxes that were red, yellow or blue that I made work. So like I said, I'm not 100% happy with it. It's very busy, but it's done. And yeah, I suppose when you look at it, take it all in, like not all at once but little sections of it, then it's not too bad. So I've got the picture of him in the red car somewhere under the red car in the title. I've buttered the car up to the words so that it looks like it's all the one big title, added a banner, and then I've just tucked in a few little layering pieces here, and then again down here, this perfection is from an old baby collection. Oh, I'm so sorry. Goodness. I found a couple of glitter stars, so I had to use them. I put one on the car, and then I needed one on this page. And my general rule is do things in threes, but I didn't have another glitter star. But I have 2 star arrows here, so I guess I'm doing rules of 2s. I have 2 of the striped large enamel dots, and the 2 yellow ones I used for the wheels in the car. I've got love hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4 love hearts. Oh, never mind, that's an even number, we'll forget about that. Yeah, so that is the page. It is done. Where's the sketch? It represents a sketch in that I have the big title and lots of photos, and Michelle has a couple of tags here, an embellishment cluster here, an embellishment cluster here with like a subtitle, so, or journaling. So I have the sort of like the tags and the embellishment clusters in a few different places, and that is like my subtitle. So, and I've got lots of photos, so I guess in the end it pretty much is like the sketch. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. This is not my best page, but it's done, and I need to stop apologizing because it's all about the story, really. And all the journaling will be on the back about this. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And be sure to watch the playlist down below that has everyone's videos who is playing along with this 30 days of sketches. Thanks so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.